So in this video, we're going to show you how to install a lid switch on your washer. Now your lid switch may be a little bit different than this one. Most of them are somewhere either located in the console or around the perimeter of the top. Usually you can find them by, again, just looking for the push button that makes it operate, or there'll be a hole in your top around here where it goes through and actually operates the switch. But in this one, it actually mounts here in the console. So to install it, it just basically slides into place, into the top. And because it's operated by a finger of the lid, we're just going to open our lid, slide it in place, lower our lid. Now there is a ground wire on this one. Yours may have a ground wire as well, but it may be part of your harness that routes around the top. This one's quite accessible. You want to make sure you attach that ground wire. Then we have our harness that goes back to the timer. We'll plug that in. And with that installed now, we can just close it up, bring our console back down into place. Now in your machine, if your lid switch is around the side, you probably would have had to lift your top, so you're just going to be lowering your top into place. And that's how easy it is to change your lid switch.